Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the direct messages section on your account on X-Twitter, easy and quickly. So first enter X-Twitter, click on your profile, then go to the settings in privacy, go to the privacy and safety, go to go to the direct messages. So as you see here, you can manage this section like allow message requests from no one or verified users or everyone. So this is up to you, you can choose whatever you want. The same thing here, we have allow audio and video calls from people in your address book, people you follow, or verified users or everyone. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.